Hi, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone.
Today, we learn English about houses and furniture.
Oh, yes. I love houses.
Good! We speak slowly and clearly so you can learn easily.
Yes, slowly. I like slowly.
Before we start, I want to say have a nice day.
Oh, yes. Good day, everyone.
And don't forget, like this video, subscribe, and comment below.
Yes, like, subscribe, comment. Oh, yes.
Look, Mark, this is a living room.
Wow, a living room. It is big.
Yes, it is big. There is a sofa.
A sofa. I like sofa.
Yes, we sit on the sofa. We watch TV on the sofa.
Oh, yes, TV. I like TV.
There is a table in front of the sofa.
A table. Oh, a table. I see.
Yes, a table. We put things on the table.
Oh, cups and books, right?
Yes, cups, books, sometimes snacks.
Snacks. I like snacks.
There is a lamp on the table.
Lamp. Oh, yes. Light. Light.
Yes, light. It is very bright.
Wow. Bright lamp. I like lamp.
There is a carpet under the table.
Carpet. Soft, right?
Yes, soft and warm.
Oh, my. I want a carpet too.
There is a bookshelf near the wall.
Bookshelf. Oh, yes. Books. I love books.
Yes, books. We read books.
Oh, yes. Read books. Fun.
Good, very good, Mark. Now, let's go to the bedroom.
Bedroom. My favorite room.
Oh, yes, bedroom. There is a bed.
Bed. Oh, yes. Sleep. I like sleep.
Yes, we sleep on the bed. It is soft and big.
Oh, soft bed. Wow, I like soft bed.
There is a pillow on the bed.
Pillow. Soft too?
Yes, very soft. You put your head on the pillow.
Oh, yes. Head. Pillow. I like pillow.
There is a blanket on the bed, too.
Blanket. Warm, right?
Yes, warm, very nice.
Oh, I love blanket.
There is a wardrobe in the bedroom.
Wardrobe. Oh, yes. Clothes.
Yes, clothes. We put clothes in the wardrobe.
Wow, many clothes. I like clothes.
There is a mirror on the wall.
Mirror. Oh, yes. I see myself.
Yes, you see yourself. Nice.
Oh, yes. I like mirror.
Now, let's go to the kitchen.
Kitchen. Food. I like food.
Yes, kitchen is for food. There is a fridge.
Fridge. Oh, yes. Cold. Ice.
Yes, cold. We put food in the fridge.
Oh, yes. Milk. Juice. Wow.
There is a stove for cooking.
Stove. Cook. Good.
Yes, we cook food on the stove.
Oh, yes. Soup. Rice. I like soup.
There is a sink for washing.
Sink. Wash. Cups. Plates. Right?
Yes, cups, plates, clean.
Oh, yes. Clean kitchen.
There are shelves on the wall.
Shelves. We put things?
Yes, cups, plates, spoons, forks.
Oh, yes, many things.
Good, very good.
Oh, yes, many things.
Now, let's go to the bathroom.
Bathroom? Small room, right?
Yes, small, but important.
Important, yes.
There is a shower in the bathroom.
Shower. Oh, yes, water. Clean.
Yes, water. We wash our body.
Oh, yes, clean body. Wow.
There is a sink in the bathroom, too.
Sink. Brush. Teeth, right?
Yes, brush teeth, wash hands.
Oh, yes, brush teeth. Wash hands.
There is a toilet in the bathroom, too.
Toilet. Oh, no. Hee hee hee.
Ha ha ha! Yes, toilet. Very important.
Oh, yes, important. Wow.
There is a towel for drying.
Towel. Dry body. Yes, yes.
Good. Very good, Mark. Now, let's see other things in the house.
Oh, yes. What?
There is a washing machine for clothes.
Washing machine. Wash clothes. Wow.
Yes, clean clothes. Easy.
Oh, yes. Easy.
There is an iron for clothes.
Iron. Hot. Press clothes.
Yes, hot iron. Be careful.
Oh, careful. Oops.
There is a vacuum cleaner for cleaning floor.
Vacuum cleaner. Sock dust. Oh, yes.
Yes, very clean floor. Wow.
I like clean floor. Yes, yes.
There are chairs, many chairs in the house.
Chairs. Sit. Yes, yes. I sit.
Good, very good.
Oh, yes. Sit on chair. Wow.
There are pictures on the wall.
Pictures. Oh, yes. Beautiful.
Yes, beautiful pictures make house nice.
Wow. Nice house.
There are curtains on the window.
Curtains. Cover window. Yes.
Yes, curtains, dark room or light room.
Oh, yes. Dark room. Light room. Wow.
Now, let's see food and drinks in house.
Oh, yes. I like food.
There is bread in the kitchen.
Bread. Oh, yes. Eat. Yum.
Yes, eat bread with butter.
Butter. Oh, yes. Wow. Delicious.
There is juice in the fridge.
Juice. Drink. Oh, yes. Yum.
There is milk in the fridge, too.
Milk. Drink. Healthy.
There are fruits, apples, bananas.
Fruits. Oh, yes. Healthy. Wow.
Good, very good. Now, accessories, small things.
Oh, yes. Fun.
There is a clock on the wall.
Clock. Oh, yes. Time.
Yes, no time. Very good.
Oh, yes. Time.
There is a lamp on the desk.
Lamp. Oh, yes. Light.
There is a plant in the room.
Plant. Oh, yes. Green. Nice.
Yes, nice plant. Fresh room.
Oh, yes. Fresh room. Wow.
There is a fan for hot days.
Fan. Oh, yes. Cool.
Yes, cool air. Very nice.
Oh, yes. I like fan.
There is a TV in the living room.
TV. Oh, yes. Watch cartoons.
Yes, cartoons, movies, news.
Oh, yes. Watch TV. Wow.
Great! Today we learn many words.
Many words. Oh, yes. I remember.
Yes, repeat, practice, speak, write,
Practice. Yes. Very important.
and listen to this podcast again and again.
Yes. Listen. Repeat. Oh, yes.
And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below your favorite word.
Yes. Comment. I like sofa.
Ha 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 ha. Good, Mark. And everyone,